Yo, what up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be continuing our AirPods or my AirPods saga. Ooh. So if you watched the previous video, you know that I lost my AirPods. I lost the case, not the actual AirPods themselves, thank God, because the case is cheaper to replace than the actual earbuds. And recently I just received what I ordered in the mail, which is this. So this is me from the future. So let's go to Richie in the past and go back to when I unboxed this thing for you. Good morning. Today is a very good day because I have received this package here. It's been going back and forth for a little while, and probably one of the biggest inconvenience that has been annoying me for the past week, but we finally have a solution $139 later. So if you can't tell by the title, this is unboxing of the AirPods wireless charging case. I unfortunately lost my original AirPods case, which set me back because obviously I didn't have a way to charge my AirPods, but now we have this. So just right off the bat, I apologize for the kind of lower quality, or just, you know, I'm filming off my iPhone because I want to go to the gym right now and I can't wait to go back home and film an actual video. And secondly, this box is extremely big for just a little AirPod, little Tic Tac case. Apple, I don't see why you had to make something this big. Like, it's a bit of a waste in my opinion, but I don't know. Anyways, I shipped it for free, not complaining. Let's go ahead and try and do this unboxing. I don't have a knife with me as well. Use my keys. There we go. So this is what it comes like if you order it. So, I mean, Apple, like, you don't need this size box. I mean, I don't know, there might be some kind of logistical thing or like shipment damage, but anyways, this is what you get. This is the wireless charging case for the AirPods. Nothing too special. And look at that, air power on the back, even though it has been discontinued. Alright, let's go ahead and crack this open. Come on. Here we go. Can you please open, please? Alright, here we go. Designed by Apple in California, as usual. So, usual books and shit. I'm not going to take these out because no one needs instructions for these. And here we go, the Holy Grail. Oh, that's a glorious sound. And here we go. A nice brand new fresh case with the little button. So the easiest way to stunt on people if you have Gen 1 AirPods is just to buy this, or you could use a Sharpie and put a dot on your actual original case. I'm actually a bit afraid to like ruin this one because it's so nice and clean, but I don't know, we'll see about that. So when you open the case, the LED goes on, and for the moment of truth, I've got my AirPods in this little medicine thing. I don't know what it's called, but I didn't want to lose the AirPods as well, so, you know. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Alright, they're charging up now. And I'll get back to you. Alright, major success. They are working, they're charging. I'm no longer a peasant, I don't have to use AirPods with the wires. This is a really good feeling. So I'm gonna head to the gym and enjoy using my AirPods once again. It has been a very difficult week without them. Not really much more to say, but back to the studio. Not really a studio, but you know. So again, I apologize for the crappy iPhone clips there, but this is it. This is the AirPods wireless charging This is the AirPods wireless charging case. My AirPods work amazing with them. They're just a case, like nothing special about it. Does the job, and the bonus is it wirelessly charges now, which I couldn't do before. So I have had a couple problems with the wireless charging. I don't know if it's because of my cheap AliExpress wireless charger. I'll show you actually. Alright, so here's my wireless charger. It's by Ugreen. And this is my AirPods case, so I'm going to pop it right in the middle there, as you can see. It's charging up, and now it's not. So with it blinking there, it's not really charging. as you can see here, that's pretty reasonably in the middle, if I do say so myself. I think what I have to do is I have to put it up a little bit. I think it might be partly to do with the coils and the actual wireless charger itself. There you go, not charging. Let's move it around one more time. Okay, that seems to have done the trick. Sometimes it'll stay like this, it'll actually charge. Other times it'll charge for a while and then start blinking and saying that it's not charging. Other times it'll just work fine. So I don't know. Really weird. I think it's something to do with the wireless charger. I'm not 100% sure. I've spoken to some other people saying that they haven't had too many issues with the wireless charging on the case, but maybe that's something that not very many people have touched on. So if you do have a subpar wireless charger, you might run into a couple issues. It's charging fine now, but yeah, thought I'd let you know. But apart from that, no complaints at all. It does the job, does the trick. So today's video is a little bit shorter than usual. Hopefully you guys don't mind, but nevertheless, it is a video and I put it out. So yeah, hopefully there'll be some, I don't know what's coming out next week. I honestly don't know. I have a couple videos in the pipeline, and I guess we'll just have to wait and see which one comes out first. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really, ooh, that was a really delayed reaction. So like I said, thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys being around and sticking around to the end. If you did enjoy the video, please be sure to leave a like. Any other questions you have for me, put them down in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Until next week, peace.